for that update. And as the air quality now in Delhi NCR worsened to the severe category, the Commission for Air Quality Management has imposed stage 3 of the graded response action plan. Timsy is joining in with more. Shivani is joining in with more on this.
Well, absolutely. Air quality in Delhi NCR has officially entered the severe zone, forcing authorities to trigger a stage 3 of the graded response action plan, or the GRAP, starting today. The citywide average AQI has jumped to 425, with several hotspots showing even higher readings. Bhavna, for example, is at 462, Alipur is at 442, Chandni Chowk at 416, and so are various other regions and areas in Delhi NCR. With pollution levels rising sharply, the administration has moved to tighten curbs. Under GRAP Stage 3, all non-essential construction and demolition activities are now banned in NCR, along with the closure of stone crushers and hot mix plants. Municipal bodies have been instructed to intensify road cleaning and dust control in the city. Importantly, the worsening of air quality has now begun to affect the school and general life in Delhi. Schools have now been asked to shift to a hybrid model for class 1st to 5th, meaning online classes and more flexibility for younger children in Delhi NCR to save them from toxic air. Doctors are also advising residents, especially children and elderly, to not step out during the morning and the evening hours when pollution levels peak. So while enforcement has now stepped up with GRAP Stage 3 in place, the immediate priority remains protecting public health as Delhi once again battles the hazardous winter air. Back to you.
Shivani, thank you for that update. Take a break for now. More news and updates on the other side.